Hello everybody, in today's episode on Grainificent. In today's episode I will be talking about one of the rolls I got from Ilford that had a manufacturer defect on them. And what was Ilford's response to this defect? Because the photos, when you scanned them in, you could edit the defect, but in the darkroom, in the enlarger, when that defect is enlarged on the photo, when you want to print it on higher size, it's just almost impossible to get rid of, so the photos are basically destroyed in that case. When I cut off the edge of the film to test my fixer, I noticed there is a line on it. And at that point I knew that something will be wrong with those photos. So on these photos, as you see, the photos are already developed and fixed and all that. You could see that the line is still going through that. So I wrote to Ilford explaining the situation, attaching some photos attached and all that, and talking back and forth a little bit, giving the batch numbers and all that. After answering a few questions, they decided to send me not one film in exchange for the broken one, but I got 3 as a reimbursement for this fault. Of course, that's not going to in any way save the photos that are almost impossible to print in on the enlarger in the darkroom now, but still, it's a very great customer service, right? I got 3 extra films that I can take more photos on, try to redo those photos, or take some better ones as a reimbursement for finding a manufacturer defect in the film. So if you ever find a defect on your film, feel free to reach out to Ilford, because for me, their customer service has been great, amazing. Of course, I never asked for exchange or anything like that. I just wrote to them that I found this defect, and after giving the batch numbers and photos and all that, they decided to reimburse me with 3 extra rolls of film. So I love using Ilford. I use a lot of Ilford products, chemicals, Ilford printing paper, films, and all that stuff. It is something good to experience great customer service from a company you love using. So that will be all for today's video. If you ever experience any defect in any manufacturer's film, reach out to them, explain your situation, and tell me in the comments down below if you ever found any defect in your film, because that was the first thing for me using Ilford for a long time now. Waiting for your responses? Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Take care, my friends.